Why, hello everyone! I'm your lovely host, Innocent, and welcome back to Innocent's Voice Acting Advice. Or, as we like to call it here, EVA! Today's topic is how to get into character. Getting into character might be very important to some people. Well, not that important to others. When it comes to acting, no matter the type, getting into character does have some importance to it. Whether it's your priority for acting or not, I'm here to give you a few tips on how to do it. Unfortunately, this subject is hard to talk about, since acting is very personal and it differs from person to person. So today, I'll be giving out very broad advice and hope that it helps someone who might be stuck. Personally, simply reading what is given to me on a character helps me the most. My worry doesn't lie in staying in character. I want to give the director the read they want in the context they want it. Sure, some people might have long rituals they do to get into character. But at the end of the day, a little bit of them always slips into the character they're playing. First and foremost, read your script. It might just be a few lines, or a whole novel. But as an actor, it's your job to bring the character to life. So, you have to know what happened before your lines started, what relationship they have with who they're talking to, their personality, how their voice sounds, and of course, what's being said. 9 times out of 10, the words a character says are hand-picked for a purpose. If you have something wrong with how something is written, be it that it's just something that's said easier or something else, just bring it up with the director. Before recording, of course. Getting into character is just getting into a headspace. Your headspace for the character should encompass what happened in the story, your character's personality traits, any quirks that might come up in the story, and any small details that the director has given you about them. Say your character is a librarian who has giant round glasses, a small frame, and soft features. With the information I've given, with no personality traits to see, one might think that they should sound shy and mousy. For example, your line for this scene is, "Will you please clean that up?" And sure, that's a good start, but you need to make that more three-dimensional. Say that their day has been terrible thus far, and now they have to deal with 3 rowdy kids that just made a mess of books that you personally, painstakingly organized this morning. Paints a better picture, right? Same line, but now in context. "Will you please clean that up?" Boom, acting. If you're having trouble, why not try music? Make a playlist of songs or bands that you think your character would listen to, or that paint a good picture of the world that they're in. Maybe your character doesn't do music. Try indulging in a hobby of theirs. It helps you grow closer to your character and, in turn, closer to that headspace. How you get into that headspace is entirely up to you, and you may have to try different things until you get it. Some people have a hard time getting there. Some people easily slip into it. Some people only need a few minutes, while others need hours. Find what works for you, and then fine-tune it. You want to try and get into that space as quickly as possible, and stay in it for as long as you can. I know this advice hasn't been the best, but this topic is rather experimental at best. So, thank you for watching! Have any other suggestions or requests for other EVA topics? Leave them in the comments below, or at me on Twitter, @CreatingLab. Trust me, I don't bite. I'm more than happy to help to the best of my ability. This has been episode number 33 of EVA. Break a leg and go out there and voice act to your heart's content. We never speak of that. Anyway, if you liked what you just watched, feel free to click or tap here and it will take you to the latest video on my channel. Or you can let the YouTube algorithms choose a video it thinks you'll like. Magic! And of course, you can click or tap over here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Come join the cult! We're always open to new members. Anywho, I hope to see you all soon. Peace out. Bye-bye!